Today, the construction of the woodshop begins, so stay tuned. Welcome! You're watching Off-Grid Sweden. My name is Andreas and I live in the middle of Sweden. Me and my family is on a journey to a more sustainable way of life, and you are invited to join us. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss a thing. Now back to the content of this video. Before the contractor came, I flattened the ground and packed it all around the job site, so they would have a nice surface to walk and work on. I also put down some ground cloth so dirt wouldn't splash up to the construction. Then I sat at home waiting for the delivery and for the contractor to come. The contractor had probably forgotten to order the material, so I waited for 3 days at home, told that it would arrive each and every day. That was a waste of time. On the third day, the delivery finally came. It was not a big deal. The contractor said that it would take about 2.5 weeks to build the house, so 3 more days didn't matter. I was led into thinking that the contractor that I had signed the contract with was the one that was going to build the house, but that wasn't the case. He had subcontractors. So finally, a 2-man crew came to start working. My idea was that hiring professionals would make the building very efficient and very exact to the dimensions in the plan. But man, was I wrong. On this first week, I felt that something was wrong with the dimension of the floor that they started to put in. I measured and I was right. It was wrong. I pointed this out to them and they remeasured and did it all over again. This took place no less than 2 times the first week. What you see in this video is what they did the first 2 weeks that they were building. So the floor was built and insulated and one wall was put up. And when we leave them for this time, even the wall that they put up had the wrong dimensions. I won't bore you with making a bunch of videos for each and every week, cause this 2.5 weeks build would turn into 3 months of hell and worrying. In the next video I will cover all those 3 months and all the errors the next 2 crews were about to make, over and over again. So please remember me of this, next time I think of hiring a contractor to do a job that I probably would do better, faster and more accurate myself. Have an amazing weekend and I'll see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag. And then you can also click on the little bell icon up there. And then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.